Welcome to Easy Way for Education. Kite Victors Plus 1 Economics Class 36, 37, 38, 39 എന്നിവയുടെ അസൈൻമെൻറ്റ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാനിവിടെ പ്രസൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Question. Name the methods or techniques to collect primary data. Methods to collect primary data. Personal interview, mailing questionnaire, telephone interview. Personal interview. The researcher conducts face-to-face interviews with the respondents. Mailing questionnaire. When the director in a survey are collected by the mail, the questionnaire is sent to each individual by mail with a request to complete and return via given data. Telephone interview. In a telephone interview, the investigator asks questions over the telephone. Second question. List any advantages and disadvantages of personal interview as a technique to collect primary data. Advantages of personal interview. Highest response rate, better for using open-ended questions. Disadvantages of personal interview. Most expensive, more time taking. Next class 37 assignment answers. First question. Distinguish between census and sampling survey. Census. A survey which includes every element of the population is known as census or the method of complete enumeration. In India, census is carried out every 10 years. Demographic data on birth and death rates, literacy, employment, life expectancy, size and composition of population etc. are collected and published by the Registrar General of India. The last census of India was held in 2011. Sampling survey. The sampling method is the one in which only some of the representative items of the population are selected and data are collected from these. Instead of collecting information from all the units of population, we select a sample. That means only a few items of the population. Conclusions derived from the small sample are generalized for the whole population. Second question. List any two non-sampling errors. Sampling bias, non-response errors. Next class 38 in the assignment answers. Question. Distinguish the following variables as continuous and discrete. Area, volume, temperature, number appearing on a dice, crop field, population, rainfall, number of cars on road, age. Continuous. Temperature, area, volume, rainfall, age, crop field. Discrete. Number appearing on a dice, population, number of cars on road. Second question. Distinguish the following variables as quantitative and qualitative. Height, weight, age, nationality, literacy, religion, gender, martial status, income, marks of students. Quantitative. Height, weight, age, income, mark of student. Qualitative. Nationality, literacy, religion, gender, martial status. Next class 39 assignment answers. Prepare a frequency distribution using the following data marks: 25, 30, 50, 5, 8, 10, 35, 39, 42, 7, 18, 26, 28, 31, 35, 11, 14, 18, 18, 8, 15, 32, 36, 41, 45, 42, 15, 33, 26. ആൻസർ ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ വീഡിയോ. പിന്നെ ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. പിന്നെ ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയാൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സുമായി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.